Today we will be explaining about operating characteristic of negative phase sequence static relay. Here the connections are 1 and 2 will be connected to the one of the phase and other two phases will be short circuited, and then we can see from the circuit 7 and 6 is go to the NO port, 6 and 7 we are connected for a NO port, and NC is shorted. And 15 is for auxiliary voltage supply, 15 for auxiliary voltage supply, and 16 is for a grounded. Now the time interval meter should be in the time position and this toggle should be in the set mode. Under normal condition, what we are going to do, we need to record the readings in a R phase, Y phase and a B phase, and we need to select the time here 3 seconds, 6 seconds and 9 seconds. I have selected now for a 6 seconds. Now under balance condition, what we are going to do, we need to switch on the motor now and we need to press the start and we are going to record the readings. One balance can be created in two ways. One is either by changing the phase on the input side, R to Y or Y to B. Like that we can change the phases, and pushing the switch to the test mode, we need to record the readings, and the readings will be like this: current in R phase, Y phase and B phase, and the tripping time will be recorded based on the tripping time selected. Another way of creating the unbalance is by varying a resistance, that is by incorporating the external resistance. At 3 different positions of the rheostat we can record the readings. These are the 2 ways of creating the unbalance. I will be showing now for changing the phase on the input side. I am changing R to Y phase and I have put it in the test mode. Now I will try to switch on the motor, and the motor will be rotating in the another anti-clockwise direction. Initially it was rotating in the clockwise, now it will be rotating in the another anti-clockwise direction. And the readings will be 1.24, 1.28 and 1.35, and depending upon the selection time you are done, the tripping time will be recorded. We have done by varying the R phase and the Y phase we have done. Like that we can change the other phases and also we can record the readings for an unbalanced condition. Another way of creating unbalance is by incorporating the resistance. Since it is connected for the R phase, let me do for one position first now. So current in the R phase will be keep reducing. Okay, now I'll switch on the motor. I can just switch the reading 0.79, 1.58, 1.8. Initially it was 1.58 only, and we'll record the trip time. Like this, we need to record for the 2 more positions of the rheostat. By applying various load conditions, we can record the unbalanced condition readings.